Many students ask me what are the skills needed as a robotics engineer. My perspective is very different on this particular point because the thing is, there are many things as a robotics engineer. The market conditions, then also you have to check your skills and the fit to the company as well, because every company needs different skilled people and there are multiple skills to learn, and also what is trending, what you are good at, what are your pros cons, and what you enjoy doing. So there are multiple things. My perspective is different, but might be you are looking for an answer where you just need the top 10 skills, 5 skills. So this is not the video. If you want the reality and also the perspective which I have, then you can continue watching this particular video. And also we are giving free certificate for the 50 days of robotics series. The link is given in the description. You can enroll for that, and also you can follow me on Instagram. Now the thing is, if you want to succeed as a robotics engineer, are there any list of skills and all those things? But as I said about the reality part, the market demand is the most important. You can do any job, but it is important to understand the market fit. What does it mean? There are multiple robotics companies in the market. What are they actually looking for? That is the most important thing. How you can find out that? You can visit the company's website, check the job descriptions and what skills they are listing. You should study about it, do a proper research. Don't look for only one word answer. Learn these things. That's not going to help you. My simple perspective is, don't go for the short term goal. Go for the long term perspective. See, you will get the job for 1 year, but what after that? Right? Again, considering your situation, go as per that. The thing is, this is only jobs perspective. In the end, we will also talk about business part. So don't worry about it. As I said, my perspective is different. I don't only consider about job part, but also business things. In order to apply for the job, the fundamentals are very important, because this is in order to become a robotics engineer. So not only getting the job, but learning the fundamentals. What you are learning during your bachelor's, your master's, that is important, but have you implemented that practically? Just ask this question to yourself. One more thing is, you will learn multiple things in your course, in your program, but it is almost impossible to get all those things at once. Means mastering all those things. You have to pick only one thing out of that. Means let's say you are good with computer vision, you are good with machine learning, with AI implementation. Robotics is a vast field, so you have multiple opportunities to implement application based on your skills and also what you enjoy doing, or at least you like doing. Somewhat liking is also good. Certain skills for the software side of robotics are C++ programming, Python programming. In the beginning, try to learn about it, but as of AI tools, later on you can shift to using AI tools as well, but you must know the fundamentals of it. Then you can learn about Docker, about networking and many things. We have made a video, you can watch that as well. And these skills are important. Why only software? Why not hardware? I'm not saying it is not good for hardware, but if you try to search for robotics jobs as of now in 2026, you will find more robotic software roles. So that's why I considered software as for this video. The most ignored part is about soft skills. If you are applying for the job or else even business, you must have certain skill sets where you can represent yourself. That is the most important point. If you are not able to crack the interview, then how you are going to get the job? Even you have to represent yourself in the front of the panel, or else even give a presentation. You have to have certain skills in order to get the job. Also, we have some opportunities where even if the soft skills are not good, you can make it, but it requires good research kind of stuff. That is also one point. But this is also important. So try to improve your communication skills. You can try to learn about communication skills. The next thing is about business. Means, as I said, what you can do for business means as a robotics engineer. The thing is, you can do freelancing, you can start your own company. That should not be only product based. There are multiple things. I don't know why people only go for product based company when it comes to robotics. Everyone shouldn't build a robot, right? How every robotics engineer will build a robot? So what others will do? Simple question. The thing is, if you are going for business, certain things are you should of course, know about robotics, basics of it. Then you also know about marketing, communication skills, and you can work out for business as well. And the most important skill is marketing here. If you know about marketing, then it will become easy in order to do some business or else freelancing in robotics. Likewise, we discussed about skills for robotics engineers. That was for today. We will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together.